Welcome to 5 Luo Words a Day, and this is day 32. If you've not been following this series, please roll back to day number 1 and then start following, and it's very interesting. Today's 5 words are akech. Akech. So akech is a name given to a female born during a famine. Akech. Ma and akech. This is akech. Nyinga and akech. My name is Akech. Nyinga and akech. Our second word of the day is Akeyo. Akeyo. Akeyo is a traditional vegetable. Usually it has small black seeds and very small leaves. Akeyo. Akeyo. Our third word is Akeyo. Akeyo. Akeyo is a name given to a female born during harvest. Akeyo. Akeyo. Our fourth word is akom. Akom. Akom is a forked pole, like the picture says. Kel na akombe go koni. So if there are many, you say akombe. Kel na akombe go koni. Kel na akombe go koni. And the last word for today is akor. Akor. Akor is wrestling. Ka idwa tugo tuk akor, to nyaka ichiem mondi. Ka idwa tugo tuk akor, to nyaka ichiem mondi. Great. So this is the last slide of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 33. If you're enjoying these videos, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more of such videos. For now, Oriti.